Dear viewers, in the view of upcoming Civil Services Preliminary Examination, PT 2021 revision series has been started to make your preparation better. The program will be published at 9 a.m. daily. Hope this initiative of ours will be beneficial for you. Thank you. Welcome to the latest update program of Drishti IAS. In this series, the topic of discussion is International Day of Sign Languages. The United Nations General Assembly declared September 23 as the International Day of Sign Languages. The day is observed to raise awareness about the importance of sign language around the world. The theme of International Day of Sign Languages this year is We Sign for Human Rights. The day recognizes the importance of preserving sign language as part of cultural diversity. The International Day of Sign Languages was first celebrated in 2018 as part of the International Week of the Deaf. World Federation of the Deaf, that is WFD, proposed the International Day of Sign Languages. The particular date was chosen because it marks the establishment of WFD in 1951. World Federation of the Deaf, or WFD, is a federation of 135 national associations of deaf people. According to the WFD, there are more than 70 million deaf people worldwide, out of which 80% are from developing countries. Note that the International Week of the Deaf was first celebrated in September 1958. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.